Service warning reset in a Volkswagen Passat. It's the service now warning that comes on after this. This is a 2012 model, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset that now. Alright, so the first thing you do is you come to the steering wheel here. You see these different options. You will be pressing this button here until you get to settings. In settings, you will be using the up and down arrow button, scrolling down until you get to the service. Click OK. You go in service reset. Are you sure? Yes. You want to click OK, and the service has been reset. Start the vehicle again. And we just wait for a second to see if it's reset. And as you can see there, the service warning has now been reset. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.